Welcome to AZ Home Decor, where we showcase inspiring homes that beautifully combine timeless architecture with modern living. And today, we're exploring a stunning luxury residence where modern farmhouse design meets the warmth and character of classic hacienda style. This extraordinary home brings together rustic craftsmanship, clean contemporary lines, natural materials, and inviting outdoor spaces to create an atmosphere that feels elegant, comfortable, and effortlessly livable. Throughout this tour, you'll discover beautifully designed interiors, handcrafted architectural details, relaxing courtyards, and thoughtfully curated spaces that celebrate both tradition and innovation. Every room reflects a careful balance of sophistication and warmth, proving that modern luxury can feel welcoming without losing its timeless charm. Before we begin, please like this video. Subscribe to AZ Home Decor for more luxury home tour and design inspiration, and leave a comment below telling us which space becomes your favorite as we explore this remarkable home together. The home's exterior immediately creates a memorable first impression, through its harmonious blend of modern farmhouse simplicity and authentic hacienda character. Crisp white stucco walls are complemented by warm natural stone, exposed timber beams, black steel accents, and handcrafted wooden entry doors that introduce texture and timeless craftsmanship. Elegant archways soften the clean architectural lines, while clay roof tiles, decorative lanterns, and beautifully landscaped pathways enhance the welcoming atmosphere surrounding the residence. Mature olive trees, native grasses, and carefully arranged gardens provide a natural transition between architecture and landscape, creating a peaceful setting filled with warmth and authenticity. Every exterior detail works together to establish a luxurious yet relaxed environment that celebrates both rustic heritage and contemporary design. Stepping inside reveals an expansive open-concept living area where natural light becomes one of the home's most important design features. Large windows, soaring ceilings, and exposed reclaimed wood beams create an airy atmosphere while maintaining the cozy character associated with traditional farmhouse living. Soft, neutral colors, textured stone fireplaces, handcrafted furnishings, and layered fabrics establish visual warmth without overwhelming the clean, modern aesthetic. Carefully selected lighting fixtures and natural finishes provide subtle elegance that enhances the room throughout the day and into the evening. The result is a sophisticated gathering space where family, comfort, and timeless design exist together in perfect harmony. The kitchen serves as the heart of this remarkable home, combining practical functionality with timeless craftsmanship and luxurious finishes. Custom wood cabinetry, oversized stone countertops, artisan tile backsplashes, and premium appliances create a beautiful balance between rustic charm and modern convenience. A spacious central island encourages conversation, entertaining, and casual dining, while maintaining a seamless connection with the surrounding living and dining areas. Warm wood textures, matte black fixtures, open shelving, and carefully chosen decorative accents contribute depth and character without sacrificing simplicity. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to create a welcoming environment where cooking, gathering, and everyday living become enjoyable experiences. The private areas of the home continue the same thoughtful design philosophy by emphasizing relaxation, comfort, and understated luxury. Spacious bedrooms feature exposed ceiling beams, soft neutral palettes, natural wood furniture, layered linens, and expansive windows that invite gentle daylight into every corner. Elegant bathrooms showcase handcrafted tile work, natural stone surfaces, freestanding soaking tubs, and spacious walk-in showers inspired by luxurious resort retreats. Warm lighting, organic materials, and carefully selected textures establish a calming atmosphere that encourages rest and rejuvenation after a busy day. Together, these beautifully designed spaces provide an intimate sanctuary where modern comfort meets timeless architectural character. One of the home's most captivating features is its beautifully designed outdoor living environment inspired by traditional hacienda courtyards. Covered patios, elegant archways, natural stone flooring, handcrafted fountains, and lush landscaping create peaceful spaces that encourage relaxation and meaningful gatherings. Comfortable seating areas, outdoor dining spaces, and thoughtfully designed gardens extend the interior living experience while maintaining a strong connection with nature. Mature trees, flowering plants, rustic wood pergolas, and warm exterior lighting establish an inviting atmosphere that feels tranquil throughout every season. These outdoor spaces perfectly demonstrate how architecture and landscape can work together to create a luxurious lifestyle centered around comfort, beauty, and effortless entertaining. Beyond the impressive architecture and beautiful furnishings, the true character of this home is revealed through its carefully considered details. Handcrafted wood finishes, artisan ironwork, textured plaster walls, woven natural fibers, custom cabinetry, and decorative pottery introduce layers of warmth and authenticity into every room. The consistent use of natural materials creates visual continuity while allowing each space to express its own unique personality and purpose. Carefully balanced proportions, timeless color palettes, and refined craftsmanship ensure the home remains elegant without feeling overly formal or complicated. These thoughtful design choices transform the residence into a welcoming sanctuary that celebrates quality, comfort, and enduring style. This remarkable home demonstrates how modern farmhouse simplicity and hacienda-inspired architecture can come together to create a residence filled with warmth, elegance, and lasting beauty. Every space, from the welcoming entrance and sunlit living areas to the peaceful bedrooms and relaxing outdoor courtyards, reflects a commitment to exceptional craftsmanship and thoughtful design. The careful combination of natural materials, timeless architectural details, and modern functionality creates an atmosphere that feels sophisticated while remaining inviting and comfortable for everyday living. It is a wonderful example of how traditional influences can be reimagined to suit contemporary lifestyles without losing their authentic charm and character. If you enjoyed exploring this stunning luxury home, please like the video, subscribe to AZ Home Decor for more inspiring house tour, and share your favorite room or design feature in the comments below. We'd love to hear what inspired you most.